Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla. Today you are watching harisystems great IT channel. So here I would like to explain you today how to become a data engineer. Yes, we'll start this question to know how to become a data engineer successfully to get an job opportunities. Before initiating, if you are watching this channel first time, please do subscribe and support us. This question I'll ask to ChatGPT OpenAI tool. So what the industry need, how the industry become the expectations from the data engineer, we are going to know. So let's see, I'll read my question. How to become a data engineer? Let's submit this question to ChatGPT AI tool. As you know that ChatGPT is an open source AI tool which we can get an accurate solution and answer for our queries. So let's see. Become a data engineer typically require the combination of education, experience and skills. Here are some steps we need to take a successful data engineer. So suggesting a few steps one by one, we'll see now. So see, obtaining a degree relevant to a computer science, data science, statistics, relevant to the generally preferred data engineer positions nowadays in the industry. The next one, develop programming skills. Like data engineers should have a strong understanding of programming languages such as Python, SQL, Java, familiarity with the data modeling, warehouse and ETL, extract, transform, load process is also an important, where the data can be loaded from outside the world and can also be make the data which are inside the database, you need to extract it. And gain experience, it's important, get hands-on experience of the data engineering tools, technologies, working in the personal projects and contributing forums or open source projects. Learn big data technologies. To successful in data engineering should have a knowledge on big data tools and technologies such as Hadoop and Spark, NoSQL databases. Build a portfolio. Like a strong portfolio is having to presenting your work showcases and skills and experience on it. This could include like projects you have worked on, contributed open source. Yes, definitely you'll get great chances to, you will be inside. Network with other data professionals who are attending meetups, conferences, events and connecting with data professionals and learn from them and their real-time expertise. Building a network or also finding job opportunities. Stay current. The field of data engineer are constantly evolving and important to stay up to date what the version is latest in the field. So when you are trying or upgrading yourself, ensure to make the trending technology you have to equip with the technology uses and use case practices. So follow the steps you can develop your skills and experience need to become a successful data engineer. And harisystems also offering such a courses. Please find the below link. If you feel, yes, this video lecture is helping any of you to make or enabling your knowledge level to think about data engineer, please do subscribe today and support us. Thank you.